progressive one. Don't you see? God wants to give everyone a second chance. And so should we. Well, if they get a second chance, those fish, well, then it would be better if I went. Oh, I wish I were back in. You are pathetic. You know, patience runs very deep in my family. That deep. I am out of here. What are you doing? I wanted to be big and important, just like. But the world doesn't need people who are big and important. The world needs more people who are and compassionate.